As far as resources for waterfowl, besides videos like this, you can always go to Ducks Unlimited, you can go to Delta Waterfowl, there's a couple other waterfowl associations, state and local game commissions, or DCs, or whatever you call them in your state, DNRs. Game wardens are a great resource. Please don't ever feel like, you gotta be careful around those guys or whatever because you don't wanna get in trouble. You're not doing anything wrong, you won't get in trouble. They know the game and where it's at and what's going on, that's their job. They're always willing to lend a hand and help you learn some spots or ask certain people, hey, do you think I can get permission from this guy? He's a good guy, why don't you go ask Bill, whatever his name is. They're a very good resource. And it's good to just get to know who's in your area because if you catch somebody that's doing something wrong, that's affecting your hunt, your kids' hunts, your friends' hunts, because they're poaching or something like that, you need to know who the game warden is because you need to report that. You pay taxes, those are your animals also, and you don't want somebody taking advantage of everybody else. So it's important to know who your law enforcement representative is in your area.